To copy a page in Canva to another project, I'll quickly do a search of PDF here, and I want to open up this design. Let's customize this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my document a proper name so that I can be able to find it when I want to use it. And once I have this out of the way, I want to copy a page from under project into this design. So I'm going to go over to my projects here on the side panel here. I'll go here and click on project, and I'll come over to design to open up the design. From here you can click the drop down and choose whether the design is shared with you or is in your project. Just in case you're not the owner of this design, you might check whether it is shared with you. But the design I'm looking for is my project. I'll just scroll down to find this design. This is the design I want to copy a page from, and the pages just open up once you click on the design. So you have the choice to apply all 28 pages, which is not what we want to do. We just want to copy a page from this design. I will click on this page now, and you see it replaces this page I have here. For some of you, it might give you the option whether you want to replace this page or not. If you don't want to replace the page, to be on a safer side, I'm going to undo this first. All you just need to do is to add in a new page and add the design you want to add into, pick from that document and place in this document. You can see we've added this page, and we took it from a different project and we added it into this project we are working on.